Hi guys, this is Thelma from Thelma's Kreations and more. Thank you for stopping by my channel. This is video number 2 from Mandies Happy Mail collaboration from Mandies Place here on YouTube. Today I am going to make, or I'm going to show you how to make some altar paper clips. Let me show you. This style, this one, which is the same as that. And I'm going to show you how you can change them up. Here's another one. And these are the hidden ones. So I'm going to show you how to make them. First one I'm going to show you how to make is this one. It's the hidden one. All I did was take a banner that I cut out. I stamped something on it. Put a little bit of embellishment, some stitching around. You take this. You take some cardstock and you trace it. And you cut out the back piece. You slip on your paper clip. Make sure that it goes all the way, that it doesn't peek out of this. You're going to take some glue, hot glue. I'm going to go get off camera for that because I don't want to get burnt. You're going to put hot glue, and then you're going to layer or place the top, the one that it's embellished. Okay, now I'm going to take this and put it on top. All you have to make sure is that you line up the corners from the top, and the rest shall follow. You have a little bit of time to smush them together. Yes, smush them is a crafty terminology. So there you go. There's one. What I need to do is go back and trim these, and let me do this while we're here, because if not I forget, and I like my stuff nice and tidy. So you just trim, although it was the same size, of course. When you're gluing them, you kind of move it around and it doesn't always work out, and that's fine. So all I'm going to do is trim it, and there you go. This is a hidden one, and the reason it is hidden is because when you slide it on the paper, it's flush with your paper. These are my favorite ones to do right now. It's this kind. Okay, so that's the side banner. The next one is going to be this one or this one. They're done the same way. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how to put the ribbon on the paper clip, just in case you don't know how. You will need a 6-inch piece of ribbon. I chose to do a printed ribbon. This one has polka dots, silver polka dots. You're going to fold it in half, make a loop at the end. You're going to take your paper clip with a part that goes to the paper facing down. Put the loop part through the paper clip. I always put my finger in there. Make sure your tails are together. Pinch them, put them through the loop, and pull up. Oops, I pulled on the ribbon. That's okay. Now, what you want to make sure is most of the times you get the printed ribbon and this one's not on the same side. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over and you're going to pull up. Now, to keep that in place, you turn it around. And what I do is I let it slip down. See how it exposed the paper clip? I'm going to put a little drop of glue, of hot glue. Be careful. I'm going to take these ribbons and I'm going to pull them taut. And I always put them over my finger. Always. And go down. My tip is when you're working with hot glue, always have a pencil. And with the eraser, you're going to clean up all the extra glue. Just go around. And this eraser, when the glue dries on it, you're going to be able to take it off, and nothing happens to the eraser, and nothing happens to your finger either. So, love that. And so now, the reason I put it over my finger is because now this stays nice and flat, because the glue, you kind of stretched it and it will stay nice and flat. Now, I pulled these off, but first let me show you what I'm going to do with them. This one I put a bling, and I always cover my back. This one I put a cabochon, and I always cover my back because I like them nice and tidy. I'm going to take a piece of bling, just put a little drop of glue, and cover that little piece of ribbon that goes over the paper clip right here. You're going to put the glue right there. And then I'm going to put this piece of bling, and because I like to finish the back, I'm going to do the same thing to the back. I'm going to take another piece of little bling that I had, I'm going to put a little drop of glue because I like to finish my backs. So, oh, the background noise, guys. I have a family, and there goes my dog, and my daughter was screaming. You know, typical things that happen in a family. All I do is angle my my scissors, and there you go. A variation of the plain one with a ribbon, bling, another piece of bling, and cabochon. Finish your backs. Easy, quick little rack gift to give somebody to put them in your projects. Now, this one and this one starts off by being, where did it go? Where did I put it? Oh my goodness. Okay, starts off, there it is. Starts off by being one of the ribbon ones. But as Emerald says, the chef, let's kick it up a notch. All I did was use some punches, and this is a die cut, and I stamped some stuff on there. Right now I am in a Kreations swap with paper clips, so that's why I'm doing these. But you can put any stamping you want on them. You can also use stickers and do the same thing. And this is how I did them. I started off with a ribbon clip. Then I took the die cut and the stamp that I wanted to use on there. Oh my goodness, this stuff got stuck on it. I trimmed the little edges of the ribbon, now using little banners instead of just a little angled. I did banners. I glued it. Again, put the glue right there. Glued it down, made sure that I pulled on my ribbons because I wanted them nice and flat. Now I'm going to turn them around. And I am going to cover it up with another heart because I like to finish off my backs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some hot glue. Trying to be very careful because I am up in the air and I don't have them on the... Now I'm going to put it down because I do not want to get burned. Okay. And all you're going to do is press it down and adhere it to where you put your glue. Smush it. Yes, a crafting term that we all know. We smush it, we pinch it, we hold it together. And now all you do is clean up your edges and the glue because you want it nice and neat. If you let it cool off, it will peel right off. Nobody will ever know that the glue was there. And it will look nice. So this is how you make these. This one, of course, is the same shape, but it's the same principle. All I did here was layer the stamped image, which was a 1.5, and then a 2-inch scallop circle. Glued it to the front, turned it over, glued another one to the back. So there you have it. You can do all sorts of paper clips this way. You choose how you want to do them. This is a banner that is going to fit on your page this way. This is just a square because this is the way this sticker was. This is a sticker on top of a cardstock, I'm sorry. And I made a back, just like I showed you this one, but this one goes to the top. This is a difference with the non-hidden paper clip. This one's going to stick out of your paper. And I wanted to show them to you all together. This is what we started off with. And then, of course, we angled them. I want all of them on there so you can see all the different ones I showed you how to make today. There you go. So this is my Happy Meal collaborations for Mandies Place for this week. I love them. They're easy to make. You can decorate them whichever way you want. And keep looking into the collaboration because in a couple of videos from now, I'm going to show you how to package this up, make it look really cute, and you can put them into your swaps. And also make sure to go to the description box and follow all the other ladies here on YouTube. They have wonderful ideas and I can't wait to see what they come up with. Thanks for joining my channel. Bye. Oops, sorry, I hit the thing. Bye, guys.